Okay, fellas, today's the day. Time to change these hubcaps from the Aerodyne that they come with to the new EVBASE hubcaps that we got. Let's do it. So, first things first, I've seen a lot of videos, people just pulling these off like this. Just putting their hands in there, pulling them off. We need to get these off. Oh yeah, they come off pretty easy. And then we don't want to break it. So we're just gonna peel this off gently. Look at that. There's one. We'll go around to the rest. All right, hubcaps are off. That probably took less than 2 minutes for the entire car. Let's see what's in the EVBASE box. All right, so here's the box that EVBASE sent me for review. I'm gonna cut into it and see what's in here. Ooh, this opens a little bit differently. Okay. I've already got these in the mail. All right, well, they're well protected. Boom. Here we go. See that? Nice, that's what we're gonna be putting on. I'm gonna be carefully putting these aside. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the tool. That's the tool I should have used to take the old ones off. That's nice. Nice that they provide that. Okay, at this point, there's two things we need to do. We can remove this. It's a little protective cover for the center. Okay, and we can choose between this plain one and the Tesla one. I think I like the Tesla one. I'm going to go ahead and stick that on now. Just got to remove some tape. Yep. Remove the tape. Stick that right in the middle. Push it on there real good. That part's done. Now, they provided us with some foam. I would imagine it's to prevent any rattling. And I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse on this probably. So, as you guys know, I am not a mechanic, and that probably took me just a couple minutes. So there's one. So we got 3 more to do, and I'll be right back with the result. All 4 of these are done, and they're ready to be installed. This took maybe 10 minutes to prepare. Not too bad. Let's get them on. Okay, keep in mind, guys, I am not a car guy. This is not what I do for a living. This will probably take the average person like myself that's not a car guy 30 minutes total, maybe. So we're gonna put these back. We're gonna put these on. And one thing you want to look out for is make sure you get the hole for the valve stem lined up. And it looks like you can just like that. This is gonna line up. Oh yeah, lines up perfectly. Push it in the middle and literally boom, done. I can get to my valve stem. Oh, that's gonna look different, man. And we're on there good. I'll go around and do the other ones. Sorry for all the perspiration. It is one of the hottest days. It's supposed to be like a 108, 109 heat index today. So again, make sure you line up the hole with the valve stem. And it should be a perfect fit. Push the middle. Wow. Just snaps right in. That's super simple. Can't wait. I mean, who wouldn't like projects that are this easy that you get this much bang for your buck. Bang. It's good. Super simple. EVBASE, thank you. Give me the opportunity. Okay, guys, that was super simple. I mean, 30 minutes, maybe, even if recording. I don't work on cars, but this was really easy. I'm an electrician normally. It's not my thing. Just ask my brother. He knows I don't like working on anything. But super easy. If I can do it, any of y'all can do it. Reach out to EVBASE. I'm going to put a link in the description. And let's see if I can get you a discount. Go ahead and order your own. Spice up your Tesla. Thanks for watching.